G'day, how you doing? Adam Williams here from Easy Way Photography. Here we are at Mimosa Rocks National Park. Pretty excited because I didn't know this sea stack existed until I happened to be camping just 500 metres in the campground just down the beach here. Wandered down here yesterday afternoon and thought, wow, what an incredible seascape location. So we're down here at sunrise. We've got a little bit of colour in the sky. I'm going to fire up and shoot a long exposure. So I've got my Nissi holder on there, I've got the polarizer on there and the 10-stop filter. I've done the ISO 6400 trick for the perfect long exposure calculation with my filters on the camera. If you haven't seen that, check out the video on this YouTube channel regarding the ISO 6400 trick to get the perfect long exposure calculation. Okay, so we're going to fire that off and see how we go. That looks absolutely gorgeous on the back of the camera. Smooth, silky water, streaky clouds. We've got a little hint of that peachy coloured orange colour light from the sunrise poking through. But overall, we've got a beautiful, peaceful, tranquil image because we've smoothed out all those details and just left a very simplistic rock feature here, that beautiful jagged rock. I'll bring out some of those textures and colours in Photoshop later on, but a really peaceful, beautiful image. I hope you enjoyed shooting with me at Mimosa Rocks National Park, just on the southern coast of New South Wales. Thanks again for watching along. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.